know there's a lot of us, but every one of these teachers are wonderful. Everyone here contributes in preschool. We all help in the building. I mean, right up to the infant room is crying that these children are leaving. I want to thank all of the parents. You have all been wonderful. If we don't have that communication, it wouldn't work, and all of you have. I want to thank the grandparents and relatives who have come in this year to help, and all our siblings who have come in to read this year. We had a very successful year of returning friends. And all of our volunteers, Miss Jean, Brazil for Spanish, everybody, you all really make it possible for this to be so wonderful. So thank all of you. And if you are leaving, you are required to come back next year and see us. It's like a requirement. When your child starts reading, we love them to come back and be readers. But all of you know that. And for my parents that have been here for as long as me, I am going to miss you all so much. Like, it's really hard, like, to teach all your children and then you leave. So thank all of you.